Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove this one on this 09 Forester. Let's see if I can. Someone's already kind of destroyed this. As you can see, doors apart. Give you guys an idea of how this stuff comes out. There's one screw right here, and there's one screw right here. You can tell right here. Those got to come out. It's just like the front door one. Those guys come out, and then this door slides this way as well. There's a screw right here. A screw right here. These two screws. There's that black molding that goes right here. From the back side. From here, you got two screws to take off. Take these guys off, then this piece will come off. And then right underneath here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little, here, let me pull it open so I can show you guys. Let me get it out and I'll show you. You gotta push it towards you. See, as I'm pulling it, it needs to go this way. What I was doing here, right here, this little guy, need to push on this guy for here. This will slide. If you get that loose, it'll slide open. Roll that window down, make life 10 times easier. And